Hi guys, welcome to the session. This is Prakash Math Tutor. Let's solve the matrix question which I have written on the whiteboard. Given the matrix 1, 4, minus 2, 3 plus 2 into m equals to 3 into matrix 3, 2, 0, minus 3. So here we need to find the matrix m. For that, move this 1 4 minus 2 3 matrix to right hand side and also distribute the right hand side matrix, so which means we just need to multiply the whole matrix by 3. So we'll get 9 6 0 minus 9 and minus 1 4 minus 2 3. So 2m equals to, so if we subtract these two matrices, we'll get 9 minus 1 6 minus 4 0 minus of minus 2 and then minus 9 minus 3. So if we subtract this, we'll get 2m equals to the matrix 8 2 again 2 and minus 12. So to find the matrix m, we just need to divide by 2. So m equals to 1 by 2 into 8 2 2 minus 12. So if we divide the whole matrix by 2, we'll get 4 1 1 minus 6. So this is the matrix of m. I hope you understand this question. Thanks for watching.